Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about natural Zepbound recipe for weight loss. So I want to tell you only one thing. If you have seen any kind of advertisement on your social media account like Instagram or Facebook account, so you need to be very careful. You should not try these kind of recipes at your without doctor consultation or without any, you can say, expert guide. Okay, because in today's time, like hundreds of advertisement is running on Facebook, all are AI generated, and there is a lack of proof available in the market like it will give you benefits or not. Okay, maybe your health condition is different and you are going to use these kind of, you can say, recipes, and maybe you will face some kind of side effects, or maybe you will face some kind of, you can say, like health related issues. So you need to be very careful. Before any kind of expertise, before any kind of good guidance, you should not try these kind of recipes, because all are AI generated, and in today's time AI generated videos is very common, and they are just getting highly traffics, and they are just getting you can say affiliate links they are providing and all. So there are lots of issues. You should not trust on AI generated videos, and you should not trust on these kind of advertisements. Okay, so this is the information. Now rest, you can make a comment where you have seen this kind of advertisement on your social media platform, and you are going to use this recipe or not. You can also mention this thing. Okay, but my suggestion is only this: you should not try these kind of recipes on by using their, you can say, advertisement. You have seen the advertisement and you are going to use, you should not use. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.